College students can get Amazon Prime for free for 6 months. That's through the Amazon Prime for Young Adults subscription. It used to be called Amazon Prime Student, but now it's for anyone between the ages of 18 and 24, or if you're a student. So anyone who's a college student, you can get Amazon Prime free for 6 months. How do you do that? There's a link in the description that will take you to this landing page. You're going to see one of two buttons here. If you already have a Prime subscription, you can switch to a discounted 50% rate. Or if you don't have a Prime subscription yet, you can actually get 6 months free just by clicking on this button. And it's going to offer you the 6-month free trial of Amazon Prime. And after that, it's 50% off the regular price. You also get 5% cash back, which is a perk on top of the Prime subscription. You already get Amazon Prime Video, unlimited streaming. You already get Grubhub Plus, free food deliveries, and all the fast free shipping and all the Prime deals that Amazon Prime has. All you have to do is verify as a student, or you can verify as an 18 to 24-year-old. So if you're college age, you totally should be taking advantage of this. Click that link in the description. It's called Amazon Prime for Young Adults. Go sign up, get your 6-month free trial, or go ahead and get that 50% off discount. You're paying too much for Amazon Prime if you're a college student. That's how to get Amazon Prime free as a college student.